Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. I want to go over another way that you can work on knee flexion or knee bending range of motion, and that's the prone position, so laying on your stomach. The one caveat with working on knee flexion in this position is you're going to get some limitations from the muscles on the front of your leg, so your hip flexors, your rectus femoris. This muscle is going to be stretched, and it's actually going to be the limiting factor in the range of motion and amount of bending you can get. So if you want to think about it, it's actually more of a stretch, this exercise, than actually a knee range of motion exercise. But you'll see it used to work on knee range of motion, so I wanted to share it with you today. So what you want is a strap or a towel or pillowcase that you can wrap around the foot. You're going to wrap it around the foot, and you're going to lay on your stomach. Sometimes it's a little more comfortable if you put a pillow under your stomach, and that actually gives you a little flexion of the hips, so you may be able to go a little bit further. And then all you're going to do is bend the knee up, and then when you get to the sticking point, all you're going to do is pull with a moderate force on the band to help give you a little bit more range of motion. Hold that for about 5 seconds, and then let off slowly and let it go back down. I usually like to do about 10 to 15 reps of maybe a couple sets, and that's prone knee flexion range of motion exercise. Thank you very much for watching.